Hello, young scientists, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to embark on a journey of discovery right in the comfort of your own home. Get ready for some fun science experiments that will blow your mind. Our first experiment is the classic vinegar and baking soda volcano. All you need are some baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and food coloring. Let's see what happens when we mix them together. Well, look at that eruption. Isn't science amazing? Next up, we have the magic milk experiment. All you need is a shallow dish, milk, food coloring, and dish soap. Watch as we create a colorful masterpiece right before your eyes. Incredible, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Now, let's put on our safety goggles for our final experiment, the balloon rocket. With a balloon, a straw, and some string, we're going to explore the power of air pressure. Get ready for liftoff. Blast off. That was out of this world. And there you have it, budding scientists. 3 super fun and easy experiments that you can try at home. Remember, science is all about curiosity and exploration, so don't be afraid to get messy and have fun. Until next time, keep experimenting and stay curious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science adventures. Bye for now.